Hello dear children, how are you? You all are fine? Okay, thank you. Welcome to eSuvidha. So students, already we have read something about the topic Pandit Raghunath Murmu. Today we will learn theme discussion, fill the gap reference, matching and comprehension, question answer discussion. So students, now theme. The theme of the SGB 1 of the topic is about Raghunath Murmu. The name of his village is Danbos. He would come there on Makar holidays. His village is a few kilometers away from Rairangpur town. Rairangpur town is in the district of Mayurbhanj. Raghunath Murmu was working at Baripada. In those days, he was the only educated man in his area. So he was popular in his area. Santals came to him to solve their problems. Once the old man came to him with a letter to read. The letter was from the old man's cousin. So students, the moral of the SGB 1 is we should literate to solve our problems. Okay students, theme this much. Now question mark. Read the paragraph 1 and fill the gap reference. On Makar holidays, Raghunath would dash to his village dash a few kilometers away from dash town in the dash of Mayurbhanj. He was then dash at Baripada. In those days, he was the only dash in his area. So students, read the paragraph 1. Let's fill. On Makar holidays, Raghunath would dash to his village. What will be the answer? Raghunath would come to his village dash. What will be the answer? Danbos. A few kilometers away from dash. Rairangpur. Town in the dash of Mayurbhanj. What will be the answer? District He was then dash at Baripada. What will be the answer? Working. In those days, he was the only dash in his area. What will be the answer? Educated man. In his area. So students, note it. Now question number 2. Match A and B with their meanings. In column A, problem, tired and leave. In column B, fastened or attached with string or similar cord. A situation that is unsatisfactory and causes difficulties for people. Someone else place of living. Now a final part of something, especially an activity. So students, let's match. What is the meaning of problem? You know, a situation that is unsatisfactory and causes difficulties for people. We have to match it. Now students, tied. What is the meaning of tied? Fastened or attached with string or similar cord. We have to match it. Now students, end. A final part of something, especially an activity. We have to match it. Now students, live. Someone else place of living. Last one. We have to match it. Note it children. Now question number 3. Answer the comprehension questions. In A, what is this lesson about? Answer. This lesson is about Raghunath Murmu. In B, what is the name of his village? Answer. The name of his village is Danbos. Now in C, what is the name of his village district? Answer. The name of his village district is Mayurbhanj. Note it, children. Now in D, why was he popular in his area? Answer. In those days, he was the only educated man in his area. So he was popular in his area. Now in E, why did Santals come to him? Answer. Santals came to him to solve their problems. So students, note it. So students, today this much. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.